Today, I'm going to show you how to add an expense in QuickBooks Online. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. From the dashboard, click New or Create. Then select Expense. This opens the expense form. First, enter the payee. This is the person or business you paid. Next, choose the payment account. This should be the bank account, cash account, or credit card account the money came from. Now enter the payment date. Use the date the money actually left your account. Then choose the payment method, such as cash, bank transfer, check, or credit card. Next, go to the Category Details section. Choose the expense category that matches what you paid for, such as rent, utilities, office supplies, travel, repairs, or software. Enter a short description if needed. Then enter the amount paid. If you have a receipt, attach it to the expense by uploading a photo or PDF. Before saving, review the payee, payment account, date, category, amount, and receipt. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. If you need to enter another expense, click Save and New instead. If your bank account is connected to QuickBooks, the transaction may also appear in your bank feed later. When it does, match it to this expense instead of adding it again. And that's how to add an expense in QuickBooks Online in 2026.